Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to uh, play FIFA Mobile with PS4 controller. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. Without all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so usually on Android devices you can just tap on the power button on the PS4 controller and open Bluetooth on your Android device, and it connects the PS4 controller to your mobile. However, on an iOS device it's a bit complicated. So to use PS4 controller to play FIFA Mobile on an iOS device, you have to make sure your device runs iOS 13 or later to ensure Bluetooth support for PS4 controller. So make sure you are above the iOS 12 software firmware on your iOS device. Remember, not all games features might work perfectly with a controller as they are optimized for touch. So yeah, you just have to make sure, just go to settings, go to general, go to software update, and here you have to make sure that you're running at least iOS 13, and then just tap on your PS4 controller and open up Bluetooth and search for your PS4 controller here, and it should connect to your PS4 controller. It should show up your PS4 controller here, then just connect to it. And if it asks for a passcode, just type in 04 times and it should connect your PS4 controller to your iPhone. So this is how you use a PS4 controller to play FIFA Mobile on an iOS device. So if you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.